What's up, y'all? So I told you that I was going to be rearranging Niyah's room, so that's what I'm about to do. So this is what it looks like before.
Hi.
So this is coming out of here.
Out.
And we're gonna put her Barbie house. I hope your Barbie house ain't too tall, is it? It ain't gonna be tall as the TV. No, it shouldn't be. You think so?
Yeah, it's taller than this. I think that part, like the upstairs.
Oh, we gonna have to measure. I ain't even think about that. So you ain't gonna get your dad.
It's taller.
Oh man, I thought we were smooth. I was getting geek, like, oh, okay, we can just move this out the way, because this is the whole reason why I'm rearranging her room, to fit her Barbie house. She loves Barbies or any kind of like dolls, but not baby dolls.
Like Barbie dolls.
Yeah, but they are the. Yeah, they get the point. They get the point. Also, as y'all know, right now, her Barbie house is outside on the patio. So I'm tired of Barbies everywhere. She got Barbies here. She got them all over the place here. This is currently where her Barbie's been stationed for a couple months now. I think that's too tall.
Yeah, that's way too tall.
Wow. Yeah, that part. Dang, I thought we had something.
Maybe
we're gonna have to figure.
Move out the TV, like, you know how you like.
Well, we can't. The TV is on the wall. We can't do nothing with the TV.
I'm talking about like move it out and put it like kind of like
behind it.
Yeah,
okay, that
like,
may be a good idea.
Behind it, just out there.
We're gonna have to figure out something. We're gonna have to get your dad involved with this one. So we're gonna change her bed around, probably going along this wall. We're gonna move this out.
Fine.
All the wall decor is staying. Well, I may move this. This here is definitely staying. This stuff is gonna stay. That we've been here, what, 6-7 months, and I still ain't put nothing in these boxes.
Are we gonna use it or not?
Right. So we're gonna do that today.
So we're all done with my room, so now I'm gonna give you guys a tour. So here's my desk right here. I got a little bit of decor, my plaque right here. I found this notebook that I had for a really, really long time. I wanna show you guys what's in it. Yeah, in kindergarten. It says, "Dear God, in school it was great today. God, I ask that you give all the bad times that I've done, so forgive me. Good Jesus, I love you. Dear God, thank you for our home. God, please, God, watch over all our family."
Mind you, y'all, this was kindergarten.
The spelling is cringy. It says, "Jesus, please make our family safe."
Where to eat at though?
Right, plastic. Jesus, I want all the bad.
Grease away. Jesus, I want all the bad grease away. I think she was talking about grades.
But I got
grass.
good though.
I don't know why she said that. She always got good grades. I don't know. Jesus, I want you to heal my eye.
We don't know what's wrong with my eye.
So something must have been wrong with her eye on October 5th. Jesus, I want no bad grades.
Jesus, I ask that you keep all the bad, what's that? Feet? Wait, huh? All the
things away from my family? I don't know.
I guess so. Jesus, please put our family in heaven. I love you. Jesus and God, good night. Jesus, thank you for our food. Lord, I ask that you forgive me my sins. Jesus, I will never bow down to people. Jesus, I will only bow down to you. We had fun at the dam and the park too. My life is fun too. So over here, yeah, I'm gonna give you a closer look at the decor. And then we have my laptop right here. And then this mirror.
And then this picture here I got from Etsy.
And then over here we have this like little lamp and it's sequins. I have all my pins and markers and stuff. I have my phone right there. This little Paris decor. My bed right there. I have a lot of stuffed animals and pillows on here. Nothing new. And then right here I have my name spelled out, Niyah. And then I have this little picture that came from
Hobby Lobby.
Hobby
I
Lobby.
was going to originally put this outside, but I thought it was the perfect colors for her room, and plus I took down those shadow boxes because we just didn't have nothing really to, I just didn't feel like trying to find something to put in the doggone things. Yeah. So I took those down. I took her YouTube plaque down, put it over there as y'all seen. But then I put that there because the colors is just perfect.
Yeah, it's really cute. I have my Barbie dream house in here. We finally got it to fit instead of outside all the time. And then I have my bookshelf, nothing new, just a lot of books. Okay, so we have this Hello Sunshine thing from Hobby Lobby. It originally was going to go outside, but look what happened to it. It got damaged by the rain outside. So yeah, it just looks like that now, but it's okay. And then I have this little rainbow up there. And then I have some drawings that I have, not drawings, but I colored these from a coloring book. I just wanted to hang them up because they were really cute. I have my skates and my storage bin in here. I just put all of my toys and stuff in there. And then I have my TV right there, flat screen TV, and then I have my Nintendo Switch, you know, some stuff over here. And then I have this bin with my controllers in here and nothing in that basket. So originally this dollhouse was supposed to go over there, but it didn't fit because of the TV. So we just moved that over there, and we put this over here that was originally next to my bed. And then we have this Moana right here sitting on the floor with her little worm. And then this little seat, little fluff seat.
It's a little stool.
Yeah, a little stool from Hobby Lobby. And then I have this mirror. And then, oh, I forgot to show that. And then we have this decor with the thing, a picture of Paris. And then I have this little saying right here. It says, if it's pink and sparkly, I need it. And then at the back, I have all my purses, well, my backpack purses and stuff. And I also have this right here. It says the princess is out or the princess is in. You can change it like on the door and stuff. That's really, really cute.
So we decided to put, well, I decided to put the rug back down. She doesn't want it. She said it looks better without the rug. I paid $80 for this rug, so you're stuck with it.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Peace.